Today on Ridge Roamer, the Honda Monkey gets a brand new exhaust. Alright, for baseline we're going to go ahead, fire up the Monkey, listen to the stock exhaust. Pretty quiet. Let's see what we can do to fix that. Alright, so here's what we decided to go with. This is the TB Parts 125 Performance Monkey exhaust, 279 bucks on tbparts.com. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box, see what it looks like in person. So I didn't cheat, not seen it yet. That looks nice. That chrome is beautiful. Nice stainless pipe. Alright. Can admire the handiwork where we can get it installed. See what it looks like, see what it sounds like on the motorcycle. Alright, wanted to also give you a quick heads up before I get started here as far as what's included in the box. So we do have the mounting bracket, a little hanger there, the clamp. They give you a couple Allen wrenches, which is kind of cool. A few different bolts and a new exhaust gasket. So a little spacer there. What is obviously missing is instructions. It's not a real difficult installation, so I'm not anticipating any problems, but it's definitely one thing that you normally see in something like this. So point a note, and we'll go ahead and get started. Well, there you have it. Removal of the stock exhaust is quite easy. Let's see weight-wise what we're looking at too. I have a scale down here at the moment, but oh wow. We're talking probably at least 4 or 5 times heavier on the stock exhaust than on the TB. So let's go ahead and get the brackets fitted up. Get it installed. Gonna mock this up here because I honestly have no idea what bolts go where. Seems so far to be the way to go. So, like that there, that looks like that's about it. nice way to finish the end of that bolt off. I'm guessing that's a spacer. We'll put the clamp in like so, and then that will go around the canister and then through our bracket with the nut at the back. Just a note here, they do ship this with the protective film on, so before you do your installation, before you complete that, peel that white protective film off. That'll give you a much nicer looking clamp. Alright, so there it is installed. Like any good project, we do have parts left over. There's a couple of nuts there, and then the baffle. I consider the baffle a leftover part because we'll try it out just so we can hear what it looks like, or what it sounds like, but it just slides in here, and then the little bolt goes through the bottom. The two nuts that are left, I believe, were designed to go behind this. But the nuts that are in there work just fine, so I went ahead and left those. They're actually appear to be welded in, so no need. Let's go ahead and pull this out, check out some sounds. Alright, I definitely like the look. I like how it's cleaned up. I like that it shaves some weight off. For today, only thing we've done is install the exhaust. There is an intake on the way, and once that's done we will get it tuned, but just so you know, this is exhaust pipe only, and we'll go ahead and see what it sounds like. Definitely a little throatier on the idle. I think we're going to need that baffle. Woo. Got a growl to it now. There you have it. TB Parts stainless performance exhaust on a 2019 Honda Monkey. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. More videos coming on the intake and tune and a few other accessories going on this fun little bike. Hope y'all have a great day. Alright, so baffle installed. Go ahead and fire it up again.